Welcome to the beautiful country of Panama. With around 4.4 million inhabitants, Panama is actually the least populated country in Central America. We were previously next door in Costa Rica, which seems to get a lot more tourists and hype than Panama, and our original travel plans did not include coming here, yet we ended up spending 3 weeks here in Panama and loved it just as much.
We're Jenna and Jeremy.
After 14 months of RV life, we sold the RV and booked a one-way flight to travel the world.
Follow our adventures as we explore more of our incredible planet Earth.
Don't forget to press that subscribe button and turn on post notifications for weekly travel videos.
You can find us on Instagram and TikTok. Quench your adventure. Now on to the good stuff.
Our top 5 places are not in priority order, but instead in geographical and chronological order, which will hopefully be helpful to you if you choose to plan a trip here. After landing in Panama City, we took an Uber to our Airbnb here in our number 1 on our list, Casco Viejo. Casco Viejo is the old city of Panama. The character Tokyo from the popular show Money Heist or Casa de Papel actually stayed here in this same Airbnb when they filmed the Panama segment of the show. Casco Viejo is a UNESCO Cultural World Heritage Site that dates back to 1673. It's an excellent place to take a walk through vibrant, colorful, and historic streets, eat a wide variety of great food including fresh seafood, enjoy a sunset, rooftop bars and restaurants, and there's great nightlife here. From Casco Viejo, take a 15-minute Uber to our number 2 Metropolitan Natural Park. We were honestly blown away that there's a 573-acre nature sanctuary directly next to this big city. The park is home to 227 bird species, 45 mammals, 36 kinds of snakes, and 14 kinds of amphibians. When we arrived, I jokingly asked the security guy, "Where are the sloths?" And to our surprise, he said, "Come with me." Turns out there was a sloth in the tree almost directly above where we parked. Afterwards, we walked the Monotiti Trail, which I think was like a mile and takes you to the top of Cerro Cedro for impressive views over Panama City. We didn't see any monkeys here, but these coatimundis made up for it, and it was our first time seeing them up in the trees. What a cool park. From Casco Viejo, we're taking another Uber, also about 15 minutes, to drop us off along the Amador Causeway. We're boarding the Taboga Express ferry for a short ride to our number 3 Taboga Island, or in Spanish, Isla Taboga. Taboga Island is the closest island to Panama City. It's only about 2 miles long and 1 mile wide. It's known for its pineapples and mangoes and is a year-round tourist spot, but as close as it is to the mainland, it's actually a pretty quiet place. We had family with us at the time, and we balled out on the nicest Airbnb we've stayed in during this adventure so far. We took a hike to Cerro de la Cruz, or Hill of the Cross. The water looks gorgeous from up here, especially on a sunny day. The island looks so small and cute, and I'm just so happy I had the drone to capture these perspectives. Back on the mainland, we rented a car to head about 2 hours west to our number 4 Anton Valley, or en español, el Valle de Anton. If you're a nature lover open to hiking and you could only do one thing here, India Dormida should be it. There are some nice features along the trail like big trees, boulders, and a nice mountain stream. It's only around a 2.2 mile hike, but you'll climb around 1,000 feet, you'll be sweating, and the trail is not easy. These cool dogs made the trek as well. Coming from the US, we have plenty of mountains, but not quite like this. Something about how the mountaintops are mostly bald with no trees, yet covered in green, flowy grass. I loved it. We felt so alive standing up top with incredible views in all directions, and this is just one of so many wild mountains here. From Anton Valley, we went back to Panama City to return the car, then took buses across the country to our number 5, Boquete. We stayed in this converted shipping container that we found on Airbnb. Boquete is a small town with around 25,000 residents, and around 5,000 of them are actually expats. Boquete sits just over 3,700 feet, which makes it much cooler than the rest of the country, and in Fahrenheit, the temperatures range from the high 50s to mid 70s pretty much year-round, which is such a nice contrast from the rest of this warm country. The small town is very nice, and I did a long hike on the Pianista Trail as well. If I had more time, a hike up to Volcan Baru would have been epic. I also hired a guide and got to climb some really cool volcanic rock just outside of town. After Boquete, we had a long day of travel to make it out to our number 6 Bocas del Toro. We stayed at the Cosmic Crab Resort, which we actually found on Airbnb as well. This was the first and only time we've ever stayed literally on the water, and for the price we paid, it was a great deal and something we would totally do again. We saw a bunch of marine life right outside our door, and Caranero Island has a really nice trail around it. I learned to scuba dive here and can't wait to do more of it. We took a really fun day trip to the most idyllic tropical beach we've ever been to, Zapatia Island. So there you have it, folks. 3 weeks is definitely not enough when this country has so much to offer. A few places we hope to return to explore are the San Blas Islands, the Panama Canal, the Monkey Islands, and Darien National Park. Thank you so much for watching. Please like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more weekly travel videos. See ya!
Que basta.